Thank you for joining us on another episode of Fire Ghost Explores. Sorry for no episodes for a couple of days. I have been sick and haven't been able to do all of too much lately. Taking a look at the mall today, there seems to have been substantial amount of work done to the interior of the mall. They've been working their way towards the middle from the old cinema section. There also seems to be a small bit of work being done on the outside, up closer to Lindbergh as well. But doesn't seem to be a whole lot of work done there. The back section near the trees hasn't seemed to be touched yet, but you can see that they're starting to get a decent amount of work done. If you're liking these videos, please leave a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for updates.